Video we will see what is the use of property source annotation in Spring Boot. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, I have created one simple Spring Boot application in which I have one controller and I'm trying to read this value example.name from the application.properties. Okay, and here the name I have given interview mania, and I'm using it by I'm trying to fetch that example.name from the property application.properties file by using this value annotation, and I have created one API get mapping and name I have given hi. So let's run this program and we will see are we able to fetch that value. Okay, and after this I will tell you what exactly is property source annotation because it is related to this thing only. And our application is running on default port which is 8080. So now our application is up and running, and now let's go to the browser, and here I will try to run this whatever API we have created and which was high, right? Okay, so it is giving the value interview mania. Now suppose there is a situation where we have to read this value example.name from the external source, like something which is some source or some server or something is there which is external to the Spring Boot application. Okay, so for that, how we can do that? Suppose I'm having this application.properties. Okay, so I'm going and I'm just keeping it here somewhere in the external properties. Okay, and I will just name it something else so that it can be easy to understand. Okay, so here I'm just renaming it to, sorry, so here I'm just going and I'm trying to rename it to, where is rename, yeah, I'm trying to rename it to external. Okay, external, and I'm just trying to read the value. What exactly value is that? I'm just trying to open it. So yeah, here it is. So I will just add something, some string I will attach to this, and I'm just adding subscribe. Okay, so I'm just saving it. Now we will see how we can read this value. Okay, this value we can read it by using the by reading the property source annotation. So now let's go here, and here on the top of the controller class we have to use the annotation called property source, and here we have to define it's a file, right? So file, so what exactly the path is of that file, so we have to go here and we have to take out the path. So how we can take out the path? We'll go to the properties. So yes, here is a path. Just copy it and go back to here and just place it, and name of our property file. So the name was external. Okay, external.properties. Okay, and from here I will just remove it so that we can show, yeah, we are able to read it from there or not. Yeah, so now let's run the program and we will see are we able to get the value from the external configuration which we have kept in the download folder by using this property source annotation. Okay. So now our application is up and running. So now let's run this. Yeah, if you could see, we have got the string which we have given in the this value, right? So this is the use of property source annotation. So if I say, so property source annotation is basically used to read the value from the external configuration or the properties file which is external to your Spring Boot project. Like in this example we have seen, we have kept our we have kept our properties in this file external.properties, which is external to this Spring Boot application, right? So in this video, this much only. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you.